Hey guys, it's Jared with TechToyTV, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nooie Smart Power Strip. Stay tuned.
TechToyTV.
So we have the Nooie Smart Power Strip here. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. So we have the Power Strip here. We have a set of instructions. So here we have the Nooie Smart Power Strip. As you can see, it has 4 outlets there, as well as 4 USB ports. So you have plenty of room for all of your devices. I do like that they're evenly spaced out here to give you some room if there is a larger power brick or a larger plug. Overall, the build quality is very nice. I do like the rubber here so that if anything gets pulled, it's not going to fray. The cable is a nice cloth kind of braided cable. And then I really like that this is a flat plug here so that if you're going to plug this behind like a desk or a piece of furniture, it's not going to stick out. It's just going to plug in flat and sit flat against the wall. We've downloaded the Nooie Home Smart app. Let's open it up and set up our Smart Power Strip. Since this is my first Nooie product, we're going to create an account. And now it's creating our Nooie Home. And you'll see here, we're going to click Add Device. And now you'll see here it has the Nooie Smart Strip. We're going to select that. And now the app is pairing with the Nooie Smart Power Strip. And now the app is asking us to name our Nooie Smart Power Strip. I'm going to name this Basement.
I totally forgot that I already have lights that are named Basement. And so I'm going to rename the Nooie Smart Power Strip, and I'm going to name it Studio.
Now you can see here, it shows the Nooie Power Strip, and we can turn this on and off from the app. Now let's go in and show you how we can customize each of the plugs on the Nooie Power Strip. As you can see here, the switches are currently labeled switch 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, by clicking these, you can turn it on and off for each individual switch. Also, if you click this little gear icon in the top, you are then able to name each one of the switches individually, and this is going to come into play when you add in voice control. So let's show you how to get this connected with an Amazon Echo device. To connect, you will have to enable the Nooie Home skill under your app. And this is generally what you do with any smart device that does connect with any of the Amazon Echo devices. So let's enable that skill, and then we'll set up our voice control. So here we're going to search for the Nooie Home skill. You'll see Nooie Home listed there, and then we're going to click Enable to Use. I input my account information, and now I'm going to click Link Now. And as you can see, the Nooie Home skill has been successfully linked. And now the app is discovering devices. You'll see here that it shows the Nooie Smart Power Strip with the new name that I gave it of Studio. So we're going to click on that. And then you'll see that it shows the options to turn the power strip on or off. Now, let's plug something into it and we'll show you how we can turn it on and off. I'm going to show you how turning a device on and off with both the Nooie app as well as a voice assistant works. First, let's use the Nooie Home app. So in the app, you'll see here, I have the Smart Power Strip that I named Studio. So I'm going to press on that, and you'll see that I have the first plug named Lamp, and that lamp is sitting right here beside me. So if I toggle the switch that's called Lamp, the lamp turns on. If I toggle it again, the lamp turns off. So as you can see, it's perfectly controlled with the app. Now, let's try it with a voice assistant. I have an Echo Dot directly behind the camera, so we're going to be using that. Turn on lamp. And the lamp turns on. Turn off lamp. And the lamp turns off. So as you can see, the device is controlled both by the Nooie Home app as well as a voice assistant. So that's our look at the Nooie Smart Power Strip. I think it's a great alternative to the smart Wi-Fi plugs that I've been using in my home. It offers a greater number of devices to be controlled by one smart device, and in this day and age, a wall outlet plug is valuable real estate in a home. If you'd like to check out more information about the Nooie Smart Power Strip or purchase one for yourself, there's a link down in the description below. If you like this video, make sure to hit us with that thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. And if you've already subscribed, make sure to hit that bell icon down below. You'll be notified each time we upload a new video here to TechToyTV. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching and checking out TechToyTV. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to share and hit that like button. To stay in the loop for future videos, click the subscribe button. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Till next time.